Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. I'm starting this video out with my fermented rice water, so make sure that you go check the video out if you haven't seen it. For my shampoo, I'm going to use 2 cups of the fermented rice water and heat it up, not to where it boils, but just so it's hot enough because I'm going to combine it with the African black soap, and I do want it to melt the African black soap so I have a nice consistency. While that's heating up, I'm going to store all the contents in this mason jar right here, and I will be using black soap from Alafia, and I got this from Whole Foods. So this is authentic African black soap, and it does have a little shea butter mixed in. I'm going to use 1/3 of this bar, and just to make sure that it does melt quickly, I am going to chop it up in smaller pieces. And let me tell you about the benefits of African black soap. It really cleanses your scalp, which is a great environment for your hair follicles to grow. You know that I really love a clean scalp, and as I've always say, a clean scalp is a healthy scalp. African black soap is a really good cleanser to use on your hair, especially if you're experiencing hair loss, eczema, or dry and itchy scalp. African black soap contains antioxidants and minerals like potassium and magnesium, and is also high in vitamin A and E, so it really makes it a great soap to use as not only a cleanser for your hair but also your body. Furthermore, African black soap encourages hair's growth by increasing the blood circulation of the scalp. Once I have small pieces of the African black soap, I'm just going to put it in the mason jar. Back to the rice water, it is hot, but it's not boiling, so I'm able to keep all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that this rice water has to offer. Now I am going to pour it in the mason jar with the chopped up African black soap pieces, and as you can see by the steam, it is hot, so it's going to melt the black soap really quickly. I'm going to give the jar a swirl just to encourage the black soap to melt more quickly. After about 5 minutes of letting the jar sit, I'm ready to add more ingredients. And the African black soap has completely melted. I will be adding a tablespoon of vitamin E oil because it's going to help to condition the hair. It's a strong antioxidant. It also helps to normalize oil production in the scalp. It regulates the pH levels and also helps with blood circulation, which is really good for healthy hair and scalp. Next, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin because it is a natural humectant, which means it's going to attract moisture. It's also great for scalp repair. It's nourishing to the hair and scalp. It's going to help to define curls. It aids in length retention, which is awesome, and it's also easily absorbed in the skin, which is really good because I do want to use products not only that are great for the hair, but are also going to be good for the scalp, and that is going to be easy for the scalp to handle. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of avocado oil, and I love avocado oil because it provides moisture, adds strength. It also penetrates into the hair strands versus sitting on top of them, which is important to note. It helps prevent breakage. It also stimulates blood flow to the scalp and unclogs blocked follicles. And in order for your hair to be really healthy, the scalp health needs to be on point. Next, I'm going to use one of my most frequently used oils, sweet almond oil. And I love sweet almond oil because it aids in blood circulation, which we all know is very good. Also, it has vitamin B1, B6, and E, which is really good to promote hair growth. It's rich in vitamin A, which is really good for maintaining healthy cell membranes. Also, it's going to add shine to hair and help to strengthen hair. I will also be adding 6 drops of tea tree oil, and I like to use tea tree oil because it's antimicrobial. It also helps to unclog hair follicles, it nourishes roots, and keeps the scalp nice and healthy. Next, I'm going to add 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, and I frequently use this oil too because it helps to prevent hair loss. It also helps in stimulating hair's growth. It prevents dandruff, improves circulation, and helps to treat a dry, itchy scalp. And the last oil that I'm going to use is geranium because it hydrates the skin, it's antibacterial, it promotes hair's growth, it regulates sebum production, and nourishes the skin. This is all important for a healthy hair and scalp. And I'm adding 6 drops. I'm going to swirl and shake the mixture just to make sure that everything is blended. I'm going to transfer the shampoo from the mason jar into an applicator bottle. This is going to make for an easier application onto my hair and scalp. And now I'm ready to use the shampoo. Jumping to the shower, I just pre-pooed my hair with a rice water mixture and my hair feels amazing. I'll link the video above so you can watch it if you haven't. I just wanted to show you what I have done before I apply the shampoo to my hair. And as always, I section my hair into quadrants. This just helps me to take care of my hair a lot better, and I will be applying the shampoo directly to my hair and scalp. And here's the shampoo right here. It definitely has a liquidy consistency, which is something that I'm not used to, but because of the benefits that this cocktail has to offer, I really wanted to try it out, and I'm so glad I did because as you can see here, it has a great lather, and you know I love a great lather. It really clumped my curls together. My hair is very hydrated and very soft and moisturized. I really enjoyed the feeling of the lather. It felt like a soft bubble bath, which is very good. It wasn't harsh on my hair at all. And once I finish working the shampoo on my scalp and down the length of my hair, I am going to clip it up and continue to work on the rest of my hair. So I'm making sure that my hair is soaking wet. It's nice and saturated. And I just figured I would apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and to my hair with the applicator bottle. And this was a lot easier for me to do. And you can really see the curl definition coming through. Once I have finished working the shampoo in all 4 sections separately, I'm going to take all the clips out and work the shampoo in my hair as a whole. I'm just loving this lather. My hair doesn't feel stripped at all. And I rinse the shampoo out with some warm water. After rinsing the shampoo out, my hair feels really good. It's not stripped at all, which is really important for me. My hair feels really moisturized and soft and still strong. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a like. Also, comment down below if you're thinking of trying this mixture out or what are your thoughts on the shampoo. Subscribe if you're not, and share. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!